Ya bafethu yimi lona, ya bafethu aniyazi nani ukuba ya-ke njengendoda emadodeni yabo, ya ngiyindoda bakwethu. Hayi okunye nje hayi asinankinga thina. Kanje-ke impilo ihamba ngendlela yakhona mara otherwise siyancenga. So ya siyancenga bakwethu. Njengoba niyazi nani impilo ibanjani emntwini. Impilo-ke ayisiyintembe emntwini masisaphila nje. Akusiyintembe. Manje inqobo sisaphila. Inkinga ayikho okunye akukho. Ya. Ngilibheha futhi kwakhona mina yabo. Yabo ngilowo muntu lo. Ama ngilala-ke insimbi yami ngiyayihlonipha. Ngiyinyanga impela kakhulu. Ya, cha ngiyayihlonipha yami insimbi. Angimani ngisuke nje ngiyithathe ngilokhuzane kuyona. Like angimani ngisuke ngiyithathe ngilale ngayo. Yabo. Angiyenzi lonto. Ngihleli ngiyihloniphile ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kwaye-ke ngiyinyanga nyampela straight ngiyinyanga impela. Uma kukhulunywa ngenyanga enkulu kukhulunywa ngami. Njengoba nisazi-ke nani bafethu uZulu omnyama uye lo. Inyanga enkulu uZulu omnyama uye lo. Hhayi Nkosi yami, uGumede uye lo, ubaba uGumede uye lo. Kodwa-ke kanje mina into engiyisho kunina, uyabona like ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo emini fanele ukuthi ukunyamezele ubomi. Yabo, ziningi izinto eziyake zikwehlele ngumuntu ungalindelanga nawe. Yazi lento engehlelayo and then yabo. But umuntu bakwethu noma wehlelwe into enjani, sengisho ukuthi ayikho into engangehlela mina enzima or ebuhlungu. Ikhona-ke ezibuhlungu eziyake zimehlela umuntu uma ekhula. Ngiyaziyeka-ke lezo. Sengisho nje njengoba ngiyinyanga kanje akukho ngathi kwangehlela ngale ndlela lexakile. Yabo. Zikhona-ke izinto-ke yebo-ke noba uyinyanga oyake ukuthi uma uzibheka uzinyamezele. Uyabona noba kunzima ukuthi unyamezele ngombani yazi le meko yazi ngempela ngiyayinyamezela kodwa kunzima. Kungekho kwenzima-ke ukuphila. Esimeni sokuphila ngiyaphila nje izinto zibona ba zifuna ukukhipha ekukholweni. Yabo sifuna uyabona. Sifuna ukukhipha kulobu bunyanga bakho obunabo. Uyabona omunye akuthuke wojabula omunye umuntu uma ekuthuka. Yazi unento nalenhlahla unayo lonto le. Noba ungaba yini umuntu uma esakuthiwa ngokuthi uyohlala ungudoctor or uma esakuthiwa ngokuthi awungodoctor uwazi uba uye qobo lwakhe wena udoctor nguwe. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Wokujabulela lokho ngoba kwabanye akwenzeki kanti uma besakudlula nje abantu bangakuthuki. Hey, okwazi ukuba hayi khona impela ubukhona ukugcina kodwa-ke hey yabona kaloku kumele bakuthuke abantu yabo bavuke umoya yabo. Yabo. So hayi izinto ziyenzeka bakwethu. Cha nje mina ngizothi kunina yazini ne empilweni awugive up ebomini. Awugive up empilweni noma isimo sakho sinjani noma impilo yakho injani. Yabo but ube nakho uba uyazi ukhona omunye umuntu osenganginceda ofana noGumede uNdabezitha ngoba vele mina angidlali ngabantu ngiyakunceda impela ikwenzele lento oyifunayo yabo. Sengisho ukuthi-ke bakwethu ayikabi mina nje into engizoyisho kunina uNkulunkulu khona ngaso sonke isikhathi. Bayeke bakuhleke yabo bayeke bakuthuke uzazi ukuba usase blessed. Uyabo. Uzazi ukuba unenhlahla kakade kuthiwa imoto emile ichanyelwa zizinja, kanti le egijimayo ijahwa zizinja ngokunjalo futhi. Sengisho ukuthi-ke bantu benkosi, ngithi-ke kini nonke sizwe somzansi, ngifuna nje ukuthi yazini masiphathane yize-ke isimo sibheda, kukhona lezi zinto ze-corona, nkosi yami, sizwe sonke somzansi. Eyi, kunzima mani, umuntu akakwazi nokuphuma endlini mani. Eish, kodwa ayikho into esizoyenza mani, kodwa konke kuzoba right. Ya, ngithi-ke ngiyabathanda bonke abantu bami. I just want to say thanks to my supporters, to my viewers, to my viewers for my videos. I just want to say thanks. Ngiyabonga. I am Dr. Mr. Sibiya Mete. Uzulomnyama. Uzulomnyama yimi lo. Yeah. So ngicela nje abantu benkosi sisihloniphe ngaso sonke isikhathi. Noba senza sihleli sihloniphile ngaso sonke isikhathi. Unika imbewu ngaso sonke isikhathi, especially ebantwini abakuzondayo. Ngisho nje kanjalo, i-life is not fair sometimes. You don't khali yabo. Yomelela entweni yakho, yabo. Yeah, be proud of yourself as well, whatever who you are. You see, who are you? You see, yeah. So now, don't point yourself with a finger. Just tell yourself you are that someone. You see, you are that someone special. You see, love yourself. Love yourself more than anybody. You love yourself. Love who loves you. Love the people who loves you. But who bring your enemies as well near to you. So I just want to say to you guys, life is very special for these days. You must be protected of the coronavirus. You must stay home, guys. Hlala endlini mfethu, suphuma ngaphandle. That's our president told us so. So we must stay at home. Don't go out. You will spread virus mfethu. Please. Yeah. Yeah, don't spread virus for other people. That innocent people. You spread the virus for the good people. You spread virus for our families, and that one is not good. It's really not good. You see. So now what I'm trying to say, you have to listen, and then yeah, you will be safe. Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, okay, but what I mean now, so like, sometimes life is not fair, but some of them, they are staying without food. I'm sorry for them. Some of them I don't have even money to buy something that they're gonna eat today or tomorrow or when, until that 21 days. I'm sorry for that, guys. I'm sorry for all of you. I'm not staying nice as well. I'm also on a struggle, but I'm still helping as well. I'm not giving up. Like I told you, you mustn't give up. You see, you must keep on trying. Try your best. You see, try to find something that is going to help you, but don't come out. At least it's better you can ask your neighbor some bread if you can. You see, you just ask. You see, and then you get, yeah. So what I'm trying to say, guys, like, yeah, that is life starting. This is where the, yeah, starting, it begins now by this coronavirus. You see, everything is closing. You see. Yeah, so you must be protected. I'm not putting